That is strange. I sit up. I look around. Where is my dog? This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. I am in my room. It is morning. My dog is usually here. He sleeps near my bed, but he is gone. I look at my bed. I look under the bed. No dog. I feel confused. I walk to the kitchen, but I see the front door. It is open. Oh no. I feel worried. I feel nervous. Did my dog go outside? I go outside. I look left. I look right. No dog. I call him. I call his name. No answer. I walk fast. I look near the tree. No dog. I look near the car. Still no dog. Where is my dog? I move down the street. I look around. I look again. Nothing. I feel scared. I call his name again. I listen. But I hear nothing. I walk faster now. I go to the park. Maybe he is there. I look near the bench. No dog. I look near the grass. No dog. I look at the playground. Still no dog. I feel very worried. Where is my dog? Wait. I hear something. A small sound. Woof, woof. I stop. I listen again. A dog barking. It is my dog. I run to the sound. I look around. There he is. My dog is there. He is playing with another dog. He looks at me. He is happy. I smile. I hug him. I feel so happy. I feel calm. My dog is safe. We walk home together. The door is still open. I close the door. I sit down. My dog sits with me. Today I could not find my dog. The door is open. I go outside. I look left and right. I call his name. I walk down the street. I go to the park. I look near a tree. I look near the grass. I feel worried. But then I hear him. I find my dog. He is safe. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.